Hey guys, welcome back to Jam Movies. Today we'll be just unboxing The Last House on the Left, directed by Wes Craven. Let's get right into it. That's the front, the side, the back. That's just the J cover I keep. Okay, so let's do the movie. That's the front, side, the back. This also is double-sided. Arrow does this a lot. I'll show you that quickly. Alright, now show you the inside quickly. Get into the postcards. Okay, so that's the back of the postcards, nothing special. Alright, let's get into this good stuff. I like how they kept it black and white. Looks absolutely killer. I believe we got a poster and the booklet to look at as well. Yep, poster first. That looks absolutely stellar. That's the back. Now we'll take a look quickly at the booklet before we send off. Some great scenes. Look at the picture quality just in the booklets. Perfect. Let me throw this quickly in, and then we'll send off. Okay, we're gonna send this. Alright guys, that's everything in this box set. I hope you enjoyed it like I did. If you haven't followed us on Instagram, Reddit, or Spotify, or if you haven't liked this on YouTube as well, please do so. We'll be releasing more unboxing, more discussions as the days go on. Thanks for jamming.